Good afternoon, folks. This is Steven Johnson versus Chemtrails. Got a strange anomaly coming up off the horizon. Not quite sure what it is. I haven't been watching the weather as far as news is concerned, but I've been watching different cloud formations and different fallouts throughout the day. I've got several still photos, but no video of what seems to be rolling in. This is very odd. There seems to be a fog, a mist, rain maybe in the background, snow. I'm not even entirely sure. But the only reason that I started recording is because it just got my attention, just started coming out of nowhere. Look at this, you can't hardly see the buildings in the background. I have absolutely no idea what's going on. And look over here. Perfectly clear. There's Manhattan that you're looking at in the distance. That's actually where's my finger at? Is it even in the camera? No, it's not even in the camera. Sorry, folks. There, right there. There's Manhattan in the distance. Today is, wow, April 1st. Oh shit, it's 4:20 in the afternoon, Eastern Standard Time. No, I did not plan that, folks. That was a complete accident. Oh, this is certainly going to be one for the books. Look at this, you can see it is clear. Look at this. It's perfectly clear, but then as you pan over here, look at this. Over here, there's supposed to be a bridge. You should be able to see a bridge right there, but guess what? There's no bridge over here. It's being swallowed up slowly by whatever's rolling in. This over here, see if I can do this right. This over here, that's Co-op City. And something is rolling in over it. Sorry for the shaking of the hands. I'm trying to do multiple things at the same time here. This is interesting. This is very interesting. As I said, Co-op City is right there under my finger. And over here, right underneath my finger, there's supposed to be a bridge you should be able to see, but it's not there. Oh, you might be able to see a little bit of it. Can you? Is it even showing up? No, I can't even see it. But as you can see over here, looking towards Manhattan, it's clear. Something's rolling in. I don't know what kind of fallout, I don't know what it is. But I'll keep you posted, and I'll see about posting the still photos as well. Now, this is Steven Johnson versus Chemtrails. Until next time, stay safe, stay awake, look up, ask questions. Peace.